Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Notion. This is an incredibly useful feature for visualizing project timelines and tracking task dependencies, making it easier to manage complex projects at a glance. First, open up your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where your database is located. This database should contain your tasks or projects, ideally with properties for start dates and end dates already set up. Once you're on that page, look at the top left part of your database. Just beside the database name, you'll see a small plus button. Click on it to create a new view of your database. From the menu that appears, select Timeline. This is Notion's built-in view type specifically designed for visualizing date-based information in a Gantt-style format. When you select this option, Notion will prompt you to name your new timeline view. Give it a clear descriptive name like Project Timeline or Gantt Chart View for easy identification later. This naming step is important because you might create multiple views for different purposes, and having clear labels helps you switch between them efficiently. Once your timeline view is created, you'll see your tasks displayed as horizontal bars across a calendar grid, assuming your database includes start and end date properties. Now it's time to customize this view to show exactly the information you need. Click the three dots at the top right of your timeline view, then select Properties. This menu allows you to show or hide specific task details like status, assignee, priority, or any custom properties you've added to your database. Toggle these on or off depending on what information matters most for your project visualization. If you're working with a large database and only want to display certain tasks or projects, use the filter option in that same menu. This lets you create rules to show only specific items, perhaps filtering by project phase, team member, or task status. It's a powerful way to focus on what's most relevant at any given time. Next, adjust the timeline scale to match how you prefer to view your project. At the top of the timeline view, you'll find a drop-down that lets you switch between day, week, month, quarter, or year views. Choose the scale that best fits your project's duration and the level of detail you need to see. Here's where things get really useful. You can actually drag and drop the taskbars directly on the timeline to modify their dates or durations visually. Just click on a taskbar and drag it left or right to change when it starts, or grab the edges and stretch them to adjust how long they last. These changes update your database automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.